Hello, dear Gemini. Welcome to my channel Karmic Sage. I'm Vishali. I'm going to read your energy cards for the month of June 2021. Okay, so let's begin with the energy card reading for this month June. For the month of June 2021. While I shuffle these cards, I request you all to please do like and subscribe my channel. Do share my videos also. And thank you so much for doing that, dear Gemini. I hope you all are doing good and safe at home in this pandemic, or even if you have to. Wow. So one card has already came out. Okay. Archangel Raphael. So that's a wonderful energy. I'll just try to take out one more card for you while I spread this deck. So energy reading for Gemini for the month of June 2021. Okay, and here we go. This is the card what I'm going to pull out here. Magician and the Mirror. Such a powerful energy here you have, dear Gemini. Okay, so this is fourth chakra, Archangel Raphael, which is the Archangel Raphael is the master of a fourth chakra that lies here in the heart area. Okay, so he is the master and he is the archangel for healing also. He is the archangel for healing and a magician and a mirror. So these two cards, no. So these two cards are here, and what I feel from this card, which is very powerful, like you have the power. You have this month is going to be like a powerful, going to give you a powerful energy in your hands where you can turn the odds in your favor. Okay, so this is the time where you can reverse the things in your favor. Okay, if something is not going all these days in your favor or according to what you want to do, how you wanted to have it, so this is the time which is, which is going to help you out, magician. And yeah, so this magician energy is coming to you at the same time. Fourth chakra Archangel Raphael is here to help you out with the healing process. So I am seeing lot of healing here. Yeah, because when the Raphael comes, it is like, we get an opportunity to heal ourselves fully. We get an opportunity to overcome any sort of grief, any sort of negative energies that we are holding upon. It's like, he help you to release those energies also. Okay, so this is Archangel Raphael is going to is like a month of healing for you again, and he is going to, with anything that you have, any kind of sorrows, any kind of, no, not just negative energies, but he is also going to manifest. He is also going to help you with the positivity, lot of positivity coming your way in the month of June. And when it comes to this card, Magician energy card, okay, I feel it's like see, it is a very powerful time that you have in your hand this month. You are the alchemist of your life, okay, and which where you will be able to turn a normal metal also into gold. So this is this kind of energy that what this card is bringing for you this month. So make the most of this energy, dear Taurans. And yeah, so I was just reading the message here. Okay, now let us see what the angels have for you. Angels and spirit guides, message for Gemini for the month of June 2021. Message for Gemini for the month of June 2021. Message from angels and spirit. Okay, so we have an card already here. excuse me. So we have this card, and this card is Flourish. Such a beautiful, lovely card. And this card, let me read the message for you. The lotus flower fairy tells you to learn from experience and shed your inner light on any unclear areas of life or those of others. Okay, so this is the message for you, dear Gemini, for this month. And I can clearly able to know. Uh, See, I can able to read these two cards together. I feel some sort of combination here, some sort of yeah. Um, because when the Raphael is here, he is here to help you out with the healing process. And this Flourish card is also where the angels from, it can be the archangels, it can be all other angels. So there is a message from them where they want you to shed your inner light on any unclear areas of life, okay, which you were trying to hide, which you were the trying to hold that pain. So you just have to release that. And you just have to release that, and that is how, from where you will be able to flourish, from where you will be able to open your wings. And yeah, it's like from where you will be able to gain this energy also. So that is the message what I feel for you, dear Gemini, right? So try to open up yourself, try to release yourself from the expectation, from the false expectations that you are holding. So it can be anything, right? It can be any sort of negative energies that you are holding within yourself. Try to hold themselves, and only then probably, this is the card which says that you will get the power. You will get the power to manifest. You will get the power to turn any metal into gold also. So you are going to be, you are actually the alchemist of your life. So try to gain this power, dear Gemini. This is the message for you. This is the energy for you this month. Okay, so I see you again in the next month. Such a powerful energy you got to have now. I see you again in the next video. Till then, I really wish you good luck, dear Gemini. Bye bye, take care.